Hey everyone, KGR DIY here. Today I decided to try WD-40 on my headlights. They've recently started to fade and get yellow, so I wanted to see if WD-40 will help to make them look clear again. I've seen a few videos out there showing great results from applying WD-40 to them. I'll show you the before and after results a week after applying it, so you can see how they actually held up. I use WD-40 all the time, like for my door hinges when they're squeaking, or for my outdoor locks when they're getting hard to open and close. And for many other things, plenty of uses for WD-40. I love this stuff, but never have I used it on headlights. Some videos show people letting the WD-40 sit for a few minutes, others remove it almost instantly. That's the method I'm trying today, just spray and wipe. I have to admit, they do look shinier. I like the way it's looking. So now let's move on to the second headlight. This time, instead of spraying the headlight directly, we'll spray the WD-40 to a rag and then apply it. Either method produces pretty good results in my opinion. You get the shiny, clear look. But it really comes down to how worn out the lights are. Because this can't be considered a restoration, this is just making them shiny. If these headlights were any more yellow, they would look shiny yellow in my opinion. Slightly clear but not completely. Because the top layer of the headlights is still burned out from the sun exposure. That is why they sell headlight restoration kits, in which you pretty much remove the top part of the headlight, which is burned plastic, and you expose the bottom clear layer. Now let's take a look at the results a week later. These lights pretty much went back to look just how they did before the WD-40 application last week. So I'm not sure if there is much of a benefit to use it on headlights. Also, I'm not sure if in the long run, if used continuously, will it maybe damage the plastic instead of actually helping it? For a quick shine, it looks alright. It makes it look pretty good. But I really wouldn't want to be applying it every single week to keep them looking nice and clean. I think I'd rather just get a restoration kit and restore them once and that's it. You can tell the difference from the left side, which has the WD-40 applied, and once we applied it to the right side, you can quickly tell the difference as well. There you have it, folks. I won't be wasting any more of my WD-40 on my headlights. I have no intentions of cleaning them every week like I mentioned. I have better use for my WD-40. It sure makes them look nice though. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and share with friends. This will help the channel tremendously. I thank you for your time. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.